Russian words can have only one stressed syllable, which is good and easy because in English sometimes the slight second stress appears. It doesn't happen in Russian. And second, you should pronounce the stressed syllable more strongly, more emphatically. It's really emphasized, much stronger than you do in English. Now let's discuss why it's even important to use stresses correctly. First of all, it affects the pronunciation of the whole word. And it's like that in many languages, including English. Imagine what happens if I mess up all the stresses in the words. For example, I say, Monica follows her mother. It's not that understandable. I would rather say Monica follows her mother, right? In that case, you understand me much better. Same in Russian. If you mess up stresses in several words in the same sentence, you might have problems with being understood by other people. In the next lesson, we will start speaking about the reading rules connected with the stress. I mean, vowel reduction and all that stuff. But now just understand that right stress, correct stress is important. Second, sometimes stress affects the meaning of the word itself. We have so-called homographs. Look at your screen at these pairs of words. Замок, castle, замок, locker. Жаркое, hot, жаркое, it's a special meat dish. Гвоздики, nails, гвоздики, carnations. Хлопок, cotton, хлопок, clapping. Atlas, atlas. Atlas, satin, the fabric I mean. Muka, suffering. Muka, flour. Духи, perfume. And духи, ghosts or spirits. So you see, sometimes you can change the entire meaning of a word by using the wrong stress. So be mindful. Unfortunately, the stress in Russian has no fixed place in a word, and basically it's unpredictable. It means that it can appear anywhere, and even in the same noun, but used in different cases, it can jump around. That's really, really difficult. So how to understand how to use it correctly? Bad news, you don't know how to guess the stress. You have to look it up in a dictionary every single time you meet a new word. That's bad, I know, but unfortunately it's the only way when you are a beginner. Later, of course, you will get more used to it. You will see the same patterns, that the same words have the this or that stress, so you will be much more comfortable. But at the beginning, always look up a word in any dictionary. In a paperback dictionary, you will see the transcription. In online dictionaries, it's much better. You can click that little icon and listen to a word. Or if you have some words or even the full text in Russian without the stress marks, don't worry, there are several resources that will help you. One of my favorite ones is russiangram.com. You simply put the text there, click the button, and it adds stress marks everywhere, even if it's a long text. It's free, but sometimes I think if you have ad block on your computer, it might get some problems there. So if you can't open it, check out your settings. If this one doesn't work for you, simply use Google, like Russian words, stress marks, and you will find a bunch of useful sites. That's it for today. Thank you, and I see you next time. Bye-bye.